The outcome of our academic program will be to create an engineer who will be industry ready and also able to solve the complex real world problems. For that, our curriculum will be competency based, experiential, holistic, inclusive, and outcome oriented.
The opportunities and challenges facing the Indian education system are well understood. The opportunities are enormous, considering the fact that 30% of India's population is young and there is a dearth of talent both in India and across the globe. The biggest challenge, however, is that while demand and supply exist, there is a mismatch between the two. Companies need skilled manpower, while the education system is unable to provide the requisite skills to our students.
The learners will have the opportunity to train and learn on industrial sized equipment, and they will also have the opportunity to train on the shop floor with our plant experts.
I look forward to the NAMTECH students becoming role models in the industry.